Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna give you 5-minute makeup. I know, scary, stressful. No, I can do this. The folks at Woosh Beauty sent me their 4-in-1 face palette and it is so darn cool. You guys have seen these at Ulta, and I know that there was a while ago that a lot of YouTubers and influencers were talking about this, and you know, folks were like, oh, weird, and oh, great. But they sent this to me because they wanted to feature things that multitask. They wanted to reach out to moms and women who are always short on time. And hi, like sometimes I have a lot of time and sometimes I don't. Also, I'm lazy. So I do have my eyebrows on, I do have my foundation on, but I'm gonna give you this little kit here, and it comes with a brush. Look at this little brush guy. It has, this attaches onto it if you want, and it's double-ended. It has both things for like eyes, blush. I mean, how cute is that? So let me see if I can do this in a jiffy. I'll walk you through the palette quickly. It folds out like this. You know, honestly, I saw these at Ulta and I thought I don't know if I want this. I don't know if I need it. Maybe it was a price point, I don't know. But now I'm seeing it and I'm like, this is really cool, because you can have a whole bunch of products in one thing to either travel on vacation with your family or in your gym bag, in your work laptop bag, whatever. So we have 4 eyeshadows right here. Let's feel them. Ooh, ooh, that's the base. That is very, very velvety. Okay, so we have base, we have a brown, and then we have like a shimmer. Nice. Okay. And we have blush. By the way, this is the light palette. That is hecka pigmented. So I picked light. I think this is, oh, I like that. That is pretty. Whew. What a pretty glow. Those are some pretty blushes. This one's really nice. It has such a soft sheer glow to it. Okay, okay. Now blenders, your blenders, it comes with a little booklet. Okay, what does it say? Base, neutral, prep your canvas, shine to highlight, bravo, and define line. Okay, next, nose. Hang on. Okay, you guys, these are finishing powders. What do we know about finishing powders, boys and girls? They're awesome. Okay. Ooh. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Ooh. Ooh. Yes. Okay, so I thought those were like contour and highlight. Nope, that's what this is. Right here we have contours. Ooh. That feels nice, matte and kind of neutral, not too bronzy, not too cool. This is nice too. I like it. And these are perfectors, and it came with this little tab to put on. Genius, because I hate getting powder in cream products in palettes. So these are the perfectors. It comes 2 shades, so you can kind of, these are whatever you want. You can use these as concealer. You can use these as all over face blemish. Looks kind of pink, but this side does have the lighter, no, I'm sorry. This side actually has the darker shade. So it actually matches me perfectly. Let's do this. Let's set my timer. Oh, I don't want the pressure. You guys, will you hate me if I don't do this in 5 minutes? And I'm gonna use this, but I'm also gonna use some other stuff, okay? Okay. And that doesn't include mascara. I'm gonna do mascara not in that 5 minutes because I like to take 5 minutes just to do mascara. Okay. That's why I already did my eyebrows. Ready? Okay, we're doing this. Ooh, let's check the little brushes. I want to see what this base, wait, okay. See, this is why you shouldn't do first impression with a time. Okay. Wow. Oh, and I didn't swatch. There is a liner in here for you guys. For everyone, not just you guys. Hey, maybe I should just do one side. I'm gonna do one side of my face so I can talk. Look at, oh my gosh. My eye is looking super contoured. Look at that. So I'm using the liner dark shade with this little liner brush. Oh yeah. That is great. That is great. Okay, now I'm going to do this brush in the contour powder, but I'm a little scared. It's fine. It's fine. Hello. Now let's do this in this highlighter. Ooh, like really sets everything. Wow. And then blush. Let's do blush. I want this blush. Yes, maybe also this blush. Oh, what do we think? Oh, I've got my mirror reflecting. Okay, you guys, I'm going in with finishing powder. I keep forgetting to use this mirror. Wow. Ooh, I like the blender shade, the darker blender shade all over. That's good. Okay, guys. I have 40 seconds to spare. Well, I only did half my face. But right? Okay. Shall I do the other half? I'll do the other half. I can't get over this base eyeshadow. It feels like cream. It really does. The colors are very workable. Yeah. I feel like I mean, I definitely need to figure out my nose situation here. I really like the finishing powder. This shade of finishing powder right here is so good because it reminds me of that Black Radiance finishing powder where it just gives the warmth to the skin. Yeah. And I didn't put blush on here, but I think between the contour and finishing powder and what was on my brush kind of did it for me. Yes, okay. I'm gonna do a different brush in the shimmer because I feel like I'm getting a little carried away. For me, that's the problem with brushes like that is I like to have a separate brush. I mean, sometimes you guys see me, I do use one brush for a lot of eyeshadows or maybe bronzer and blush, totally get that. But sometimes if I'm starting to add anything with shimmer, I like to keep the shimmer and the not shimmer brushes separate. This is like one of the most subtle highlight shimmer powders ever. I'm gonna pile on some mascara. I'm gonna use my Mile High Wander Beauty mascara and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back with mascara and lipstick and you know what, you guys? Look how good I look. Like I'm glowing. I think that this is pretty darn good. The eyeshadows might not be the most kind of pigmented, intense eyeshadows I've ever used, but I think that's okay. I think because of the purpose of having something that's just really easy to work with and does really well in a short amount of time, because when you have something so pigmented and you have to really blend and you have to really work, sometimes that can be hard, difficult in like just if you only have a little bit of time, right? And so when you want to just do like a brush of color, you don't want it so much pigment and that where it just kind of like yeah. So I think that the face shades are great. I love the contours. I like the blush. I like this finishing powder a lot. I'm wearing the e.l.f. setting spray and somehow that just seems to work really well together. So I feel like I have a lot of good glow, a good luminous look going. And yeah, I'm gonna put this little baby in my drawer, in my bag. I don't know. I think this is such a good thing for vacation. I feel like I have kind of vacation face right now. All right, well, thanks guys. And thanks again to Woosh Beauty for sending me this. And I'll link where I can find it online. And yeah, see my eyeshadow? It's so nice. Okay guys, all right. Please click that button and subscribe. Hit that thumbs up for like, leave me a comment, follow me on social media, blah, 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 whatever. And thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.